Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something that's on everybody's mind: using AI for school. It's this incredibly powerful new thing, right? But with all that power comes, well, you kind of need a user's manual to go with it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're building that guide.
And this really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? AI is everywhere. You see all the cool stuff it can do, but you also hear all the warnings from teachers about cheating. It's totally normal to feel kind of stuck in the middle. So, how do you actually use these tools to learn better and faster without getting yourself into trouble? Let's break it down.
Okay, first things first. The most important thing you can do is just flip the script on how you think about AI. Don't see it as this sneaky shortcut or a temptation to cheat. Instead, you've got to start thinking of it as a brand new type of study tool. Seriously, like a supercalculator, but for ideas and writing. So when you think of it that way, it's not a cheating machine anymore. It's your own personal super tutor, there for you 24/7, ready to explain a tough concept 5 different ways until it finally clicks. It's your research assistant that can help you get the main idea from a super dense article. And it's your feedback coach that can give you pointers on your writing before you ever have to turn it in. All right, so let's get practical. How can you actually use these tools to power up your learning? And not just, replace your own brain. This is where AI stops being just a buzzword and becomes a real, honest-to-goodness game changer for you as a student. So, here are 4 absolute powerhouse ways to put AI to work for you the right way. First, for brainstorming. It's perfect for smashing through writer's block. Second, getting feedback. You can see your work from a totally new perspective. Third, tutoring, for when you're stuck on that one tricky concept at like 1 in the morning. And fourth, for research, helping you quickly get the gist of complex sources.
And listen, how you ask the AI for help is everything. Garbage in, garbage out, right? A weak prompt like, "Is this good?" is going to get you a useless answer. But a really high-quality prompt, it's super specific, you give the AI a clear job to do, and critically, the rubric you want it to use. The better your prompt, the better your results. It's that simple.
And get this, there are already some amazing tools out there built specifically for students. Khanmigo actually lets you debate historical figures. How cool is that? Magic School AI has this tutor called Reina that gives you step-by-step help. And you've probably used Quizlet, but now it can take your notes and magically turn them into practice tests. The key is just finding the tool that clicks for you. Okay, we've covered the do's. Now we have to talk about the don'ts. And this isn't to scare you, it's actually the opposite. It's to draw some really clear lines in the sand, so you know exactly where the boundaries are. Because knowing the rules is what lets you use these tools confidently and, ethically. It all boils down to one crucial difference. Are you using AI as a tool to help you think, or as a replacement to think for you? Using it to brainstorm? That's a tool. Asking it to just write your essay for you? That's a replacement. One is like a workout for your brain. The other is like skipping the gym entirely. One helps you learn. The other just cheats you out of it. And just so we're all on the same page, these things are completely off limits. Having AI write your essay, or even just a rough draft, that's plagiarism, period. Using it to spit out answers on a quiz or a test? Come on, that defeats the entire purpose. Using it to solve a math problem when you're supposed to show your work? Nope. And impersonating someone else? That's a whole other level of not okay. So you know the do's, you know the don'ts. Now let's talk about the habits you need to build to be a really smart, responsible AI user. Think of these as your official rules of the road. So your rules of the road are pretty simple, just 3 critical habits. Number 1, cite your use. Just be open and honest about how you used it. Number 2, verify the content. You have to fact check everything because AI can be confidently totally wrong. And number 3, protect your privacy. Don't ever share personal, sensitive info with these things. And citing your use doesn't have to be some big, scary thing. A simple sentence at the end of your assignment is usually perfect, something just like this. It's not an admission of guilt, it's a sign of confidence. It tells your teacher, hey, I get it, I'm using this new tool the right way. And really, these habits are non-negotiable. First,
You have to fact check what an AI tells you. It makes stuff up sometimes. Second, here's a pro tip. Do your actual writing in something like Google Docs that saves your edit history. It's proof that you did the work. And last, but seriously, this one is huge. Never, ever feed it personal stuff like your full name, your address, or your school.
So look, when you put this all together, the do's, the don'ts, the rules of the road, what you get is this incredible, powerful new way to learn. This isn't about replacing your brain. It's about augmenting it. It's about giving your brain superpowers.
And that is the whole point. The goal is not to let AI think for you. It's to use AI to help you think bigger, to go deeper, to be more creative. Use it to poke holes in your own arguments so you can make them stronger. That's how you supercharge your own intelligence.
So really, the question moving forward isn't if you'll use AI. You will. We all will. It's your new tool. It's your new study partner. The real question is this: how are you going to use it to build a better brain?